Hey fam, Gary here. I was going to come to you live from the world headquarters of the Gazelle Owners Group, which you can see in the background, but I fell last week on a film set diving to save a video camera and lost a front tooth, so I look like Stu from The Hangover until I get the implant. So, forward we go. In 2018, I suggested to Gazelle that they should develop a factory delivery program like Porsche, where you can fly to Germany, tour the plant, and take delivery of your new car. In my fever dream, you fly to the Netherlands to pick up your new Gazelle at the factory, ride it on a group e-bike tour of Holland, and when you're done, they ship it home to wherever you live. I bounced the idea around and assembled my thoughts in this video that I put out about 20 months ago. Since that time, there have been a number of developments. But because there's a lot of new members here, I'm going to roll the original video for those of you that haven't seen it, and I'll tell you about the developments on the other side.
You're live with Gary Fujioka, playing the hits, and giving you those cosmic shivering fits.
Knew he was a killer, first time that I saw him. Wonder how many girls he had left in his heart.
So it was about a year ago when the company announced it would build a Gazelle Experience Center with museum and gift shop adjacent to the factory. This is the rendering of the facility released at the time of the announcement. A Gazelle Experience Center is a company-owned facility where prospective e-bike buyers can see the complete Gazelle product line and test ride bikes on protected courses. There are factory-trained advisors on hand to help them with the selection process, but the buyer completes a transaction and takes delivery at their local Gazelle dealer. These pictures were taken earlier today. As you can see, the new building is coming along quite well. In this picture, you can see that the skybridge connecting the Experience Center to the factory is complete. Visitors will be able to view the manufacturing floor from above on a suspended walkway. Now, that this is happening 2 years after I suggested it is purely coincidental. As of now, there is no Gazelle factory delivery program. Of course, in the future, there's bound to be travel agents offering packages that include a Gazelle factory tour. Whether or not they're officially sanctioned, I think remains to be seen. I'm less optimistic now about a formal delivery program. I believe there was a reasonable chance before the pandemic, but the current shipping chaos probably makes that a no-go for the foreseeable future. Gazelle expects to open the Darren facility in the spring of 2022. There's a lot of uncertainty everywhere. And at this point, there's no telling what's feasible, but it sure sounds fun and exciting. Who wants to go? Let me know in the comments.